Going through some of what we call kind of our level 2 tools. These are quite powerful tools, but they're not as heavily dependent on the big 5 and the budgeting, but are very much required for project management. And so the first one is our project milestones. We have the ability to come in, add quite a bit of, my configuration's not there, but you can see the headings, list of our milestones, the name of those milestones, are they on the critical path, the original plan date, the forecast date, and then where are we currently tracking against those. Pretty basic milestone layout, great way from an overview perspective and a dashboarding perspective to just outline the key milestones of the project. The ability to come in and just add multiple action items to the project, just overall project management action items. There's a report that goes with it that's really great, similar to the cost report and the progress reporting. One of the neat features here is you have the ability to, just like the workflow and the emails, you know, in our industry, there's a lot of folks that continue to live out of their inbox. It's the reality. So you have the ability to actually pick users like roshan.bonnie@cloudepc.com. We can create a subject and, hey, did you see this action? Please follow up, and you hit send. Oh, requirements cannot be empty. Oh, the user didn't save. But anyway, that would fire out a email to Roshan Vani with a link back into the system. Same thing on meeting minutes. You have the ability to create meetings. Meetings have minutes, and one of the cool things here is a minute can also be of a type action, which is great because oftentimes there's lots of meetings that create actions, and that those actions will show up in the action item register. RFIs are another big module and something that we live and breathe in this industrial construction world. And so you have the ability to create an RFI. One of the neat things around the RFI module is you don't have to really be a licensed user. You can issue that to distribution list. And so, for example, I have created a distribution list for Roshan Personal. I think you can also create one for just engineering per se. You can send that to or CC, give it a descriptor, create a question, attach any relevant information, and then hit send. And what would happen is there would be a relevant link that gets emailed out. But for those questions that go to external parties that are not licensed, what's really cool is they'll have all the attachments in that email. They can review everything and simply reply to the email. And what we do is every 5 minutes, we're looking in the back end and we parse that email and apply that answer right here. The creator of that RFI will then get a notification, say, hey, someone's responded to that RFI you just sent. We'll parse any of those attachments, attach them here, and it becomes a pretty powerful tool because it gives you that database centralized location, but it allows the team members of the team to still operate within the database and that single source of truth, if you will, without having to move too far away from email.